Alright, well, last one. Yeah, last one, right? Of course, from Bay Area Matrix, folks, your host. Oh, we got one more. Alright, two to go. That's it. Good God. We got 2 parachutes on this one. You guys want to get the straps down on the ground here real quick? So, what year is this and what do you got with the setup? 94? Single turbo. And everything else is stock, guys. Here we go, 5 seconds. That's nice. Wow. Holy cow. By the way, he's holding us some free rides later on tonight. $100. $100. Passenger seat. Thank you very much. Alright, here we go. Last one. You got John. Oh, we got another Supra. Coming out of everywhere, man. Woo! Watch out. What do we got? What year is this? 87? You got 6 on 6.
RSR GT2.
Got some gadgets and blinking and numbers moving around here.
Okay.
You might want to cover it up with some paper there later.
Basic performance upgrade. Wait.
What year is it? 87 Super, guys. Here we go. Yeah, bird stuck in your engine, dude. Thank you very much. Oh! He was doing that with no engine running. Amazing. That's beautiful. Alright, we gotta get John here from Bay Area Matrix. Coming up, he has a bunch of stock stuff in here, I think. Hey, you still got that mid pipe in here? Rebuild, yeah, rebuild VA. Custom foam intake, manifold, whatever you call it. You got power windows? Oh yeah, you got power windows. What do you got here? Rebuild engine? Custom mid pipe. Redliner, all the way from Puerto Rico. Nice, right on. You'll see John and a bunch of us Bay Area Matrix guys going to the Toyota Fest next month on May 12th. We got like about 5 cars showing up over there in Long Beach, California. So if you guys don't know about that, Toyota Fest actually the biggest event is SoCal, all Toyota family. I'll give a plug to those guys, a wonderful event over there. Visit them. That will end the exhaust Soundoff. Thank you for all the participants. And again, be careful coming out of here. We got another hour around here, everybody. Get to know, introduce everybody. We're going to pull up the Tundra out here in a second. You guys can check out that beautiful truck. Just in case some of you guys want to pull your car, you know, your beautiful show car, this is the truck to pull it with. You know the commercial, oh man. Just check it out. Else it's coming here pretty soon. Thank you.